Today, we have a 2026 Forest River Rockwood travel trailer. This 2908RL is 35 feet and 4 inches in length, has a dry weight of 8,149 pounds, and can sleep up to 6 guests comfortably. The exterior of the unit features a front pass-through storage compartment, rear storage compartment, 10-foot electric awning over the slide, and 11-foot awning over the entryway, and an auto-leveling system. Starting in the mid-kitchen and rear living area, we see the dining area. To the right is the reclining theater seating. In the very rear of the unit is the hide-a-bed sofa with overhead cabinets. To the right of the sofa is the entertainment center. It features a large smart TV, Bluetooth speakers, and electric fireplace. Moving into the kitchen area, we see the island. 12-volt refrigerator, 3-burner range, single-bowl sink with microwave above, and tons of cabinets for storage. Moving towards the front of the unit, we have the bathroom on the left. It features a sink and mirrored medicine cabinet, walk-in shower, and foot-flush toilet. Finally, in the very front of the unit, we have the master bedroom. This room features a queen-size bed with storage underneath, overhead cabinets, power and USB outlets on both sides of the bed, wardrobe closet, and prepped location for TV. For more info or pricing on this unit, please visit our website or give us a call.